I must emphasize, Your Excellency, the words that you indicated during the SONA on the centrality of fixing the many dysfunctional municipalities, a task which is being tackled and will be completed by 31 March 2026 through the review of both the white paper on local government and the municipal funding model, which will be a game changer to our local governance system. Deployment of officials will have to be on the basis of competency and professionalism, not political deployment. The white paper on local government review will place municipal governance on a sound footing, facilitate efficient cooperative governance, and harness the potential within the institution of traditional and cohesion leadership, creating genuine governance partnership with traditional and cohesion leadership. Your Excellency, the white paper on local government review will yield to great and progressive change if political parties come elections of the local government will deploy competent political leadership as mayors, deputy mayors, EXCO, speaker and MPIC chair, who will drive and become the agents of change and service delivery. The IFP commends the establishment of the National Water Crisis Committee as a temporal measure to fix a much wider range of malaise of water crisis that has accumulated over decades. An emergency solution is necessary, and we believe this committee as a temporal measure will bring a great relief. But the long-term solution is building capacity in municipalities, ensuring that the competent leadership in municipality do maintenance timelessly on an ongoing basis, build more reservoirs, and deal with the multitude of water losses as a result of the infrastructure that is failing to perform because it was never attended timelessly.